Hey there, Coohom designer. Are you ready to unlock your full design potential and create a piece of furniture that's truly one of a kind? Today, we're going to explore the fantastic realm of custom modeling in Coohom and construct a stunning velvet chair that will leave your friends green with envy. But before we get started, let's first talk about what is custom modeling. Is custom modeling paid or free to use? So, if you're ready to take your Coohom skills to the next level and become a master of furniture design, keep watching. 1. What is custom modeling? Custom modeling in Coohom is a tool that allows you to create and customize your own models. It's part of the advanced tool in Coohom and has enhanced capabilities compared to the original modeling tool. Here are some features of the custom modeling tool that you first know. 1. Model libraries. Model libraries access over 1 million 3D models, including staircases, 3D geometry, and 3D text. 2. Import and edit 3D files. Upload and edit 3D SketchUp and 3ds Max files. 3. Adjust imported model. Stretch models, change materials, and more. 4. Customize models. Use the toolbar, asset library, and view switching and visibility control to customize your model. 5. Other features. 3D text function, rotation function, scaling function, 2D fillet function, and polygon function. 2. The custom modeling feature is free or paid. The custom modeling tool in Coohom is generally free, but you can only use this tool 10 times as a basic user in Coohom Pro. You can use this tool. You can use it as much as you want. If you want to purchase Coohom Pro, you can go to Coohom.com, click on pricing, and choose the plan that suits your money. Now we learn how to make accent chairs in Coohom. Create a new project. Begin by creating a new project in Coohom. Choose a suitable room size or start from scratch. Access the custom modeling. Go to the right side panel. Click on the Advanced option, then click on Custom Modeling. This is where we'll build the chair's components, creating the chair frame. So first, we'll create the legs. To make the legs, we'll add a rectangle from the model library into the space. And next we adjust its width and length. Let's first look at the reference image. In this image, the chair has a length of 29.53 inches and a height of 23.82 inches. So we'll input these dimensions into the rectangle. Here, we can adjust the dimensions of the rectangle. After adjusting the length and height, we'll apply an offset. To do this, you need to first select the object. Hover over the push-pull option from the upper menu and select Offset. Click on the shape, but the offset isn't working. To solve this problem, we need to convert it to editable mode. To enter editable mode, click on the object, then select Rectangle. Click on the second option from the menu. Click on Confirm. This will allow you to make any changes to the object, but this option is only available for models taken from the model library and group model. If you've drawn the object manually, you won't see this option. Now we'll offset the shape by 0.71 inches. After offsetting, delete the center shape, and then give depth to the remaining part. To add depth, use the push-pull tool. Press P on the keyboard or click on the push-pull icon in the upper menu. When you click on the object and drag it upwards, enter the depth, which is 0.71 inches. After that, we'll set the leg at a 90-degree angle. To rotate it to a 90-degree angle, first exit editable mode, then select the object. Click on the first option, then select the rotate option. Rotate it along the red axis. After rotating, move it upward. Next, we'll create a copy of this leg. whose distance should be 22.2 inches, as shown in the image. We'll make another copy, which will be the seat. After copying, rotate the seat to -90 degrees. And then scale it so that it fits between the two legs. Move the seat above the ground and give it a slight angle, about 7 degrees, as there's no detailed information on the seat's angle in the image or website, so we'll adjust it ourselves. Then, we'll create a copy of the seat, move it up, and then rotate it about 105 degrees. And then adjust it so that it fits between the two legs. Now our chair is ready, and we can add the material, like the gold color in the image. To add material, click on the chair, select the material option on the right, click the plus sign, then select metal and finally alloy. Select the material and it will be applied to your shape. Repeat this process for all the other objects. After that, click on the Finish option. We've created the base model of the chair, but we haven't added cushions. To add cushions, first go to the public library, select Home Decor, then Fabric, and find a cushion that fits your model. You can also create a custom cushion in Custom Modeling. But in this video, I've used one from the public library. If you want to know how to create a custom cushion, you can ask in the comments, and I'll definitely make a video on it. We'll adjust the cushion according to the model's dimensions. First, we move the cushion to the seat, then adjust it, width and length. For the backrest, add a new cushion and adjust it according to your chair. Then, make a copy of the seat cushion, which will be placed on top of the first one. Now, we'll change the cushion's material, because it is not the same as in the image. To change the material, first select the cushion, and then click on the Material Editor option from the pop-up. This feature allows you to change the material of any model, whether it's a Coohom model or a SketchUp model. First, select the cushion, then click on Fabric from the left panel. But the velvet fabric isn't available, so we search in the search bar. Scroll through and find the pink velvet that matches the reference image. This color seems right, but it's a bit dark. So we'll click on Done. Then choose a velvet chair from the public library. First, we see that color match, then we drag it into the room. Absorb the material from the public library chair and apply it to the custom chair. Now the color perfectly matches the one in the image. Now our chair is completely ready. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tutorials and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy designing!